Understanding, Turn to Dust, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the intriguing English phrase, turn to dust. This idiom, often heard in various contexts, has a rich meaning that extends beyond its literal interpretation. So, let's dive in and unravel its significance together. Turn to dust is an idiomatic expression used to describe the process of complete disintegration or destruction. It's often used metaphorically to talk about things that fade away, deteriorate, or lose their significance over time. This phrase can apply to physical objects, memories, relationships, or even ideologies. The phrase, turn to dust, has its roots in the natural process of decay and disintegration. Over time, many materials break down into dust, a symbol of time's inexorable passage. This imagery has been used in literature and language to represent the ephemeral nature of life and material things. In everyday conversations, turn to dust might be used in different contexts. For example, after the fire, the ancient manuscript turned to dust. As the years passed, her memories of childhood turned to dust. In these instances, the phrase emphasizes the transitory nature of physical objects and memories. Metaphorically, turn to dust can symbolize the end of something once significant. It's often used to highlight the impermanence of life, relationships, or fame. For instance, all great empires eventually turn to dust. Fame is fleeting. Today's stars are tomorrow's dust. These examples underscore the transient nature of power and popularity. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, turn to dust, and its various uses in English. Remember, language is not just about words, it's about the stories and emotions they convey. Keep exploring, and until next time, happy learning!